You may know hardware, but self-tapping screws drill their own holes when they're screwed into materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. By using a screwdriver, either hand-driven or motorized, to attach a self-tapping screw, you can create precisely fitted threads. They're ideal for combining two different types of materials or for screwing in areas where access is only one-sided. It's helpful to use self-tapping screws for products that need to be maintained regularly, such as air conditioning units or canopies, where you need to disassemble and reassemble the item along the same threads. The two types of self-tapping screws are thread forming and thread cutting. Thread forming screws are meant for plastic, deforming the material as the screw enters. Although thread forming screws remain in the material more tightly, there is a risk of over-tightening the screw, which could cause the material to break under pressure. A 25-year veteran of providing quality self-tapping screws is Fastners. Look to Fastners for your self-tapping screws.